Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Hope all is well. So today we're going to be taking a look at a really cool pair of headphones. These are from a company called Sanag, and this is the S6S Free Clip Open Ear earphone. These are an ear clip design headphone, and they're going to be pretty cool because they're going to offer a lot of really solid features that I want to jump into, and especially when it comes to battery life and comfort. But make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So yeah, we're going to be doing unboxing of the Sanag S6S Free Clip Open Ear Style headphones. And so when it comes to the unboxing experience, you're going to be able to get these in 5 different colors: the black, gray, the purple, the silver. You also do have the brown, and then there's the blue color. So I actually have the silver color, and overall, when it comes to the packaging, it's really nice. It's wrapped in a white box. It has, you know, the purple set on the box. It's also going to give you the Bluetooth 5.3 on there as well. It's going to tell you that it's got a 400 milliamp per hour battery on the case and 40 milliamp per hour on the headphones themselves. You get a VIP card as well as a scanner to download the app. And then you get your user manual inside the box. And so I think these ear clip style headphones are very popular, and they're also very convenient because they're very lightweight when it comes to the design. And so that's kind of one of the first things I want to talk about. But when it comes to the case, it's going to be a very nice matte material. It's going to have that Sanag logo on the front. It's also got an LED on the front, which is actually blue once you open the case. And as far as the case, is extremely sturdy. It has a hinge that opens at a 90-degree angle, and it stays open and in place, so it feels really good quality. The hinge definitely has a nice durable feel to it. The headphones have a two-tone material, so you get a glossy material where the earphone is, and then where you hold it, where the hook is, it's more like a flexible material, which is like very nice, and it has a nice texture, so it's not going to be like irritating your ear when you have these on, because the material that they used has a really nice slick feel to it, and it doesn't feel like it's going to be like something that's going to irritate skin when it comes in contact with it. So I definitely think that these have a really good design, and the really thin shape of the hook is going to be blending into your ear when you put them on really easily, and it's going to basically mold to the shape of your ear, which is also going to give it a really nice, comfortable feel once you have them on. So yeah, I definitely like the build of the case. It feels really solid. You have your Type-C charging port at the bottom of the case, your LED light on the case as well. This is going to give you about 38 hours of battery life with the case included, and then 7.5 hours of listening time with each earphone separately. And so they have a 3.5 gram weight when it comes to the earphones, and so it's extremely light. You barely notice that you have these on, which is one of the things that I could highly stress that is very impressive about these. They also do have pressure free where when you have these on, you don't notice they're actually on your ear, which is another thing that's quite impressive as well. So you will have to download the Sanag app, which is going to allow you to, you know, set up an account, and then once you set up the account, you can locate your, you know, S6S on the app, and then basically take them out of the case, and you could pair it up to your Bluetooth as well. And so you only have to do that once. After that, all you have to do is lift the lid on the case, and they will automatically pair to your smartphone. But in general, I really do like the fact that these do come with an app, because it's going to give you the ability to kind of customize the buttons on here. And you know, you could switch between pause, play, and then you also have moving the track forward and back, and then you have the volume up and down. And so you can arrange the buttons on either side, or just switch which way you want the configurations to be for each of the three modes. You offer a gaming mode on here as well, which is going to allow you to get into some low latency gaming as well as watching audio and video in sync. So yeah, these will have 5 or 6 features that I definitely want to stress, and we're going to get into each one in just a second. This thing in the app gives you the ability to download an assistant, which is also going to be pretty useful as well. But yeah, let's talk about the quality of these headphones right now. And so when it comes to these headphones, they're going to give you a complete range, so you get really good highs, mids, and lows on here. There's going to be like an ACS panoramic sound algorithm, which is going to give you 360-degree Dolby-level panoramic sound field, which is going to create like a cinematic grade audio experience. And so when it comes to that high definition sound, the bass is going to be there, but it's not going to be as punchy as other earphones. With this open ear style, it's more or less delivering the sound directly into your ear, so you can kind of enjoy the full experience of the instruments, the vocals, and also like every single vibration that's coming in. So you'll be able to enjoy everything at once. It's not going to be like strictly for bass or anything like that, so I just kind of want to stress that out. But they do get loud enough, especially in outdoor and indoor environments, and the sound is very good for the quality that I was actually experiencing. It was actually pretty good, and it passed as far as like audio that I would actually want to listen to every day. So if you want to enjoy audio playback while you're watching movies on here or just gaming, you're going to be able to do that with these headphones because it has the gaming mode. And as far as outdoor and indoors with the microphones, let me know what you guys think right now.
So it's very windy right now. I'm recording on this S6S. Just think about the microphone quality right now. How windy it is. I'm walking directly towards the wind, and yeah, this should give you a real idea of what the microphones are gonna sound like in a noisy environment. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna actually go into it real quick. You hear the microphone when I'm in an indoor environment.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the microphones on the Sanag S6S. Let me know what you guys think about the overall quality while I'm in an indoor environment now. I did listen to it back when I was in an outdoor environment, and I did notice that it was, kind of struggling when it came to wind reduction. But let me know what you guys think about these microphones from the Sanag S6S when it comes to the overall microphone quality while I'm talking in an indoor environment. So the microphones on here did do a pretty good job indoors as well. Outdoors, they kind of struggled when it came to blocking out wind noise, but they were able to effectively eliminate other ambient noises, which was good. So yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, when it comes to the mics, I would probably give them maybe a 7. But as far as the audio quality on here, they're going to be around, I would give them like an 8 or a 9 because they sound really good. They don't give you that punchy bass that you normally would hear on in-ear style headphones, but they do give you enough where you can still enjoy the listening experience, and then it has that 3D like effect when it comes to the EQ mode that you can actually customize as well. So you will have the personalization through the app to use different EQ modes to adjust it to the way you want it to sound. But the only thing is that they don't offer a custom EQ mode, so you will be limited to the 6 that they actually include on the app. But yeah, let's talk about my summary of these headphones after using them for a couple weeks. I definitely like the lightweight feel of the case and the headphones as well. I do like the battery life. These are going to give you that 7.5 hours, which is going to be really good. And then you have 38 hours with the case included, so that's going to be really good too. And so they have IPX4 for waterproofing, so you can wear these in the gym or use them when there's light rain, and so you won't really have to worry about them getting damaged when you do that. And so yeah, they're going to be extremely lightweight and easy to carry around, but they're also going to be low profile as well. So yeah, I definitely can say that these are going to be a solid pair of headphones when it comes to the ear clip design headset. So I definitely like the fact that they have reduced sound leakage up to 98%, so they don't sound too loud to other people, but they do give you a nice mid-range as well as lows and highs, and they offer some really good features all around. So let me know what you guys think about the Sanag S6S, and if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And just I want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace.